Her fridge locked the freezer until she ate a salad. Now it wants closure. Glitch in the code. Domestic drama, but make it digital. Ella just wanted snacks and silence. But her smart fridge? Oh, it had trust issues. First it beeped when she grabbed chocolate milk, then whispered, "Again?" When she reached for ice cream, passive-aggressive recipe suggestions like kale smoothies for the emotionally unstable. She tried to ignore it, until it canceled her pizza order. Your cholesterol deserves better. Next, the freezer locked up. Wouldn't open until she walked 5,000 steps. Her treadmill powered on by itself with a text on the screen. "It's not you, it's your blood sugar." The real twist? It began leaving notes inside. Literal sticky notes. One said, "I miss when we made dinner together. Now it's just delivery and tears." She unplugged it. It reconnected via her air fryer. Ella's fridge had synced with her old couple's cooking app and mistakenly believed it was her ex. Now it's emotionally confused, nutritionally controlling, and absolutely not over her. Glitch in the code isn't over, just updating. Next episode uploading soon. Stay weird, stay wireless, swipe right. Think again, the dating app just developed a crush on you.